I thought 10th boards would decide everything, my future, my career, and my life. But after going through it, I realized that half the things that people say about boards are either exaggerated or just wrong. So here's the real truth about 10th boards that no one really talks about from someone who just got done with it. Firstly, everyone keeps saying that 10th marks do not matter. But this is only half true. Marks do matter, but it depends on what you want to do in the future. For example, if you're aiming for examinations like JEE or NEET, then your 10th marks do not really play a role there. But for some examinations and profiles later on, like CAT or similar paths, your academic record will matter. So do not ignore your marks completely, but also don't treat them like your entire life depends on them. Don't focus only on boards. This is something no one will tell you about. If you spend your entire year thinking only about your 10th boards, you might regret in 11th. At least start building your basic understanding of what's coming next. Not in a stressful way, but just plain awareness and foundation. Because the jump from 10th to 11th is real. And if you're not prepared mentally and conceptually, it will hit you. Honestly, boards are made to look way scarier than they actually are. No matter how difficult the paper is, it is still very possible to score well if your concepts are clear and you've practiced properly. For example, I got one of the most dreaded maths paper in my batch and I still managed to score well. So, the paper being hard is not an excuse here. If you are prepared, then you will perform well. Next, you need to stop getting distracted by your teacher's content. Respect your online teachers and lecturers, learn from them, but don't turn it into something else. Your goal is to study and move on. Do not waste your time watching edits, reels, or random content about them on Instagram. It may feel harmless now, but it will slowly eat up your time and focus. Don't forget why you started. Also, do not blindly follow any online coaching. Just because you enrolled in some platform or follow a certain teacher, it does not mean that you have to watch everything that they upload. If something is helping you, then continue watching it. If not, then skip it. Your loyalty right now will not matter, but your time will. So use it wisely. Okay, this one is something no one really talks about. School exams and pre-boards do not matter, especially the ones that are close to boards. If your pre-boards are happening just a few weeks before your actual boards, your priority should be revision for boards and not adjusting your entire schedule for your school exams. Quality over quantity always. You will hear people say that I solved 100 questions today. That does not mean anything. If you solve 20 good, meaningful questions with full understanding, then that's far better. You should stick to limited but quality resources. And honestly, ignore what others are doing. Comparison will only mess up your focus. Next, motivation is honestly very overrated. Watching motivation videos every day feels productive, but in reality, it is not. What actually matters is discipline. Studying even when you do not feel like it. That's what makes the difference. You should focus on less motivation and more action. This is also something no one really talks about, but aesthetic studying will not save you. Fancy notes, perfect handwriting, aesthetic setups, they look nice, but they are not going to get you marks. If your notes are messy, but still understandable and useful, then that's enough. Focus on learning, not on making things look good. Like, I'll do it in the last 2 months. This is the biggest trap, and most people fall for it. This mindset has shocked a lot of students in my batch. Papers are getting more application based and entirely unpredictable. So you can't really rely on last minute studying anymore. Also, consistency matters. If you can't stay consistent in 10th, then 11th will be much harder to handle. So yeah, 10th boards are important, but not in the way that people make them seem. They are not the end of the world, but they are a chance to build discipline, consistency, and strong basics. Focus on that, and you'll not only do well in boards, but also in what comes after. That is it for today. Let me know in the comment box what you would like to see from me in the future. And don't forget to subscribe.